Want to grow faster? These 3 metrics changed how I look at YouTube, and almost nobody talks about them. So the first tip is actually comparing your retention to the average retention for videos of the same length across all of YouTube. So let's click this one here. You go to analytics, and now you normally have this retention graph, right? But if you click see more, it actually gives you more options to compare your retention. So many options. So subscribers and non-subscribers, I guess I don't have enough data for that one, but it would show you new and returning viewers. So I can see, oh, my returning viewers viewed way more than new, as you would expect. But what's really interesting, we're going to go all, is audience retention over here compared to other videos. So what this is it shows you right here, compared to other videos, shows your video's audience retention compared to all YouTube videos of a similar length. So then, instead of just looking at the retention as we can on the homepage and see, oh, it falls off, let's compare it to videos of the same length, which is very different. So it's below average, and in these areas it's above average, kind of falls off and then goes above average again. And after watching this video back with the highs and the lows, I noticed where it's higher is where I'm actually delivering the value, and I'm on screen telling you the things you need to do, which is why for this video now, instead of talking for 4 minutes, I just jumped right into the analytics, the valuable part. For number 2, I'm back on my analytics homepage, and for this one, this is across the whole channel. Go into advanced, and then down here, click the little plus, add metric, and this is average views per viewer. So for each individual video, this tells you on average how many people, the same people watch that video. So most of the time it'll be one, they watch the video once, but where it's really good is at the top total, and it tells you across your whole channel. So on average, views per viewer across my whole channel is 1.2. If you have people really heavily binging your videos, it'll be multiple. And what you can do is filter your videos. I think over here compared to, you can group videos if you have different niches or styles of videos, and group, oh, I have this type of video and this type of video. Maybe your shorter videos, longer videos, and see what is actually helping people binge more or less. Number 3 is something you've probably all heard of, new versus returning viewers, but we're going to go more into advanced. More here, new and returning viewers. And something you can see that's interesting here is where you really break down, for returning viewers, my click-through rate is lower than for new viewers, which might, even though retention is higher. So what this might mean is people who previously were a new viewer are shown an impression again and less likely to click. Now, the reason for this could be if you are not on topic, you're doing different niches, and people are like, yeah, I watch, but I don't want to watch again. If you really hit a narrow niche, returning viewers should be a higher click-through rate, and that would be something to focus on. It would mean the world to me if you clicked that like and subscribe button below and then went and watched another video on my channel to get those numbers up. Thank you for watching.